Business owners and artisans, come closer. Let me teach you how to triple your income by finding clients around you in seconds.
Go to Play Store or App Store, whichever is applicable to you. Search Pureworker and go right ahead to download the app. Pureworker is a service hailing app where clients or customers come to get vetted vendors or artisans. Think of it as an e-commerce app that focuses on service providers. So whether you're a service provider or a customer, you have to register by filling in your details. And most importantly, use my referral code Vick. Right after you register, an OTP is sent to your mail and you receive almost immediately. But it doesn't end there. You need to complete your registration by telling Pureworker what exactly you do and services you provide. Put a price range, put a description of yourself, and that of course is in relation to your services, a valid means of ID, and you're good to go. Clients pay you on the Pureworker app directly and withdrawal is seamless. It literally takes a split second for the money to show in your account, just as you can see in the video.
Pureworker does the job of connecting you to your intending clients completely free of charge. Now tell me why you won't sign up now. Don't say I didn't do anything for you. And you're welcome. Bye.